Hi, my name is Vijay Ashok Mistry and my student ID is A4020288 and I will be giving 10-minute presentation for the declined product of HUL, that is Lux. As you can see, the content of the presentation which begins with the company profile of HUL. Hindustan Unilever Limited is the well-known and largest FMCG company in India, and it is a 52% owned and subsidiary of Anglo-Dutch giant Unilever and has been working its way to India since 1888. HUL is the leading star for producing home care and personal care products. It has touched almost 4 out of 5 consumers in India. It has more than 100 factories in India and manufacturing its diverse product range. Its headquarters is situated in Mumbai and it has the largest channel of distribution network. It has a market share of 54.3% in a toilet soap category. HUL is also a largest exporter of personal care and home care products. Introduction of Lux. Lux stands for promise of beauty and glamour, and as it is one of the most trusted brand in India for their personal care product. Lux soap was launched in India in the year 1929 with the different range of fragrances and colors for the soaps. It's winning the hearts of the Indian consumers for selling its personal care products. It's considered as trustworthy and more reliable. First female brand ambassador Leela Chitnis to promote Lux soap in 1929. Situational analysis. Situational analysis is the collection and evaluation of the past and present information about the company. It determines the strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and it also involves the brief study of current market trend within and outside of the society and economy. It also includes the brief analysis of the competitors and the company itself. The main objective of this to identify the internal and external economic factor that may affect the performances and the strategies of the company. As you can see the pie chart of different FMCG companies and its market share in India. From the above pie chart, it's been clearly seen that there are a number of FMCG companies are doing business in India, but HUL is enjoying the top position in a market share of the FMCG product. HUL is most trusted brand for the personal care product, but the demand for the Lux soap has fallen down due to economic slowdown and currency fluctuation, and also due to new competitors. Main reason for decline of Lux soap is mainly focus on urban areas people, and therefore lower income groups people do not get attracted due to their higher prices as competitors, such as Santur Synthol, are come up with the attractive prices to gain market share in the toilet soap industry. SWOT analysis of Lux. Strengths. Strong brand image. It's mainly focused on attractive beauty segment. It has a strong sales and channel of distribution network. It put more emphasis on market research and door-to-door sampling once in a year. It has many variants such in their soap such as almond oil, milk cream, orchid extract, honey and sandalwood oil, etc. Strong relationship with the distributors and retailers. Weaknesses. Mainly positioned as a beauty segment towards the woman which lacks unisex appeal. Some of the variants like sunscreen and international different fragrance of Lux did not perform well in the market. The awareness of the product in rural areas is relatively low. Lack of innovation in product is also the main reason for the decline in sales. Higher prices. What are the opportunities? To promote low price soap in rural areas in order to attract lower income groups. Change in the promotional activity in order to create more brand awareness. Introducing new variants such as Ayurvedic soap to attract beauty conscious people. Soap industry is growing by 10%, which is a positive sign for this industry. Strong promotional campaign in order to boost sales. Potential for making more impact of brand image. What are the threats? The major threat is from the new entrants in soap industry such as Vivel due to their low cost operation, high internal competition from peers beauty segment, threat from the competitors such as Dettol, Procter and Gamble, Reckitt Benckiser, decline in the demand of the product that may affect sales for the product. Best analysis. In that first, political factors. Government stability, freedom of press, bureaucracy, corruption, social employment legislation, political change, economic factors, unemployment, labor supply, labor cost, globalization, increase in level of disposable income, business cycle change, growth, inflation and interest rates, likely economic change. Social factor, lifestyle choices, likely socio-cultural change, employment patterns, attitudes, health, education, social mobility. Technological factors, impact of emerging technologies, research and development activity, impact on technology transfer, impact of internet and reduce in communication. Who are the target consumer of Lux soap? Target consumer of Lux soap are mainly urban and suburban middle class and rural people, which are the largest part of the India's population. As the buyer of Lux soap are mainly urban rich people because they always tend to buy the imported and the expensive product. However, the demand for the Lux soap in rural areas is very low due to their high prices as compared to the other competitors. To carry out the activities and the analysis of the report, I have used secondary research techniques which are from the annual reports of the HUL, from the company site that is www.hul.com, and also from the latest articles from the internet. Thank you.